Rodel!
Ayan, good morning po sa inyong lahat mga kasambay. Good morning din kay Kuya. And syempre this morning, pag-uusapan po natin ang mga bagong bagay, bagong places, at kung ano namang bago sa ating society ngayon. And this morning, bisita po natin ang mga representative from Haldane Philippines. We have here our Senior Manager for Corporate Sales, Mr. Jappy Ongkinko. And also, Senior Manager for Dealer Sales, Mr. Bobby Mendoza. Good morning sa inyo, guys.
Good morning, Kuya. Good morning, Kuya Daniel.
Ayan. And syempre, tanungin na natin ang ating what's new ba with your company?
Well, that's a very good question. What's new with us? It's Virtual. No? Virtual is a Singapore-based Virtual is a Singapore brand. No? It's an exciting new product, no? Aimed at providing the latest cutting-edge technologies from around the globe, designed to be unique, powerful, and relevant. No? Basically, the mantra for the Virtual brand is to create, connect, and celebrate. And these refers actually to its product lines. For the create, these refer to our laptop, For the connect, these refer to our mobile devices. And for the connect, it's for the consumer electronics, which is the digital cameras. Basically, what our users or audience can expect from the Virtual brand is basically with the Virtual brand we will change the way the market is currently being benchmarked. And how will we do this? With the Virtual brand, with the product lines, basically the end users will get products which are totally loaded with features. No? For the end users, this translates to a lot of advantages and benefits. And what's most important about it, it's very competitively priced.
Sir Bobby, ano ba mga products yung dala natin right now?
Nandito ang latest natin sa dual SIM mobile phones. Right here. Nasa gitna naman yung ating PDA phone. We have here a representative ng ating model lineup for digital video camera, for digital still camera, and our brand new laptop.
Sir Bobby, let's talk about first yung mga cellphone brand natin. Ano po ba mga brand yung nandito yung dala?
We have two models right now.
Mm-hmm.
Ito yung tinatawag nating Dupli. At ito naman isa yung Twin. Parehas itong dual SIM. Okay? Ito yung mga new technology kung saan dalawang SIM natin ang pwede nating pagganahin sa loob. Okay? So ngayon, hindi mo na kailangan magbitbit pa ng sobrang daming telepono para lang ma-enjoy mo yung SIM mo sa kabilang network sa SIM mo sa kabila.
Actually, yung sinabi nyo nga about the dual SIM system, ang first thing kasi na pumasok sa utak ko is yung mga China phones. Kasi right now, usong-uso ngayon yung sa market natin yung pagkakaroon ng mga China phones. How does it differ? Kasi di ba Singaporean company ang ang Virtual. Paano ba natin ma-distinguish from the China phone yung difference with the Virtual?
Well, basically, with the Virtual brand, you can, as we mentioned earlier, you can expect a lot of features, for the end users. With the Virtual brand, the technology behind it is we're actually utilizing two distinct processors, in the device. So parang in essence, meron kang dalawang cellphone sa isang device. And more than that, we utilize branded processors. So for the end user, this translates into quality and long-term use of the device.
Pero how much naman po ang this Dupli, how much would it cost in the market?
The retail price for the Dupli is at 12,990 pesos.
I see. And ano pa yung kasama sa package if the user wanted to buy a Dupli phone?
Maganda yung package that we have for the Dupli with all the features and benefits that this has. Every purchase of the unit comes with an additional battery.
Okay.
And more than that, we are bundling it with 1 gig SanDisk micro SD memory card. So, ano pang hahanapin mo? In terms of memory and battery life, it's all there.
Actually, ang gusto ko sa phone na to is maganda yung kanyang graphics.
Yes.
Compare with other phones, medyo mas advanced yung graphics ng Dupli phones, right? How about yung PDA phone po natin, sir? It is called NV.
Yes, NV. Actually, with yan. Maganda yung tanong mo, Rodel, sobrang advanced yung features natin for the Virtual NV. Picture this, This one is already 3.5G. So HSDPA na siya in terms of internet surfing and video streaming. Sobrang bilis niya. This already runs on the Windows Mobile 6 platform. So updated ka na. Ang processor nito is already at 624 megahertz. Currently the fastest in the market across all brands. The internal memory for the device is already 1 gigabyte. Plus, we have an expandable mini SD card slot, expandable up to 2 gigabytes.
I see.
So, in terms of speed, functionality, memory, it's all here. And this one retails only at 24,990 pesos.
Murang-mura lang, no,
Yes,
sir?
yes.
Kayang-kaya.
Kayang-kaya. Medyo may tanong na ako regarding doon sa mga banding na sinasabi nila. Kasi di ba, a lot of phones right now dito sa Philippines is, meron silang tinatanong nila usually, dual band ba yung phone mo or tri-band ba yung phone mo? Pwede ba nating explain sa ating mga manonood, ano bang difference ng tri-band and the dual band phones?
Ang mga banding po, ito po yung mga radio frequency for mobile phones. No? Parang similar ito dun sa mga FM stations natin. They also have yung mga frequency band. Mga sa telecommunication, may mga kanya-kanyang assignment to para hindi maglabo-labo yung mga broadcast na yan. Okay? Pag sinabi po nating frequency bands, we are right now referring to 4 for the GSM technology. Pag sinabing quad band, nandito na yung 4. Ito yung 850 MHz, 900, 1900, 1800 MHz. Okay, ang purpose itong mga megahertz ito is more on yung kung saan-saan country assignment yung binigay sa kanila. Okay? Dito sa Philippines, we are only utilizing 2 for GSM, yung 900 saka yung 1800. Okay? In Europe, it's the same here. Actually, parang magkaparehas natin. No? Most of our GSM technologies are patterned after Europe. They have the same 900, 1800 frequencies there for GSM. In the US, they're utilizing 1900. And then recently, Japan and South Korea came up with the 860 megahertz. So ngayon, if you're a Philippine user and you're just gonna stay here in the Philippines, yung dual band for GSM is already sufficient. Okay? If you're only traveling abroad, dun mo lang kailangan talagang alamin na kung ano yung frequency nung country na pupuntahan mo na pwedeng dapat nandun din yung teleponong gagamitin mo. Now, there's another frequency ngayon for the tinatawag nating 3G, yung WCDMA. We're utilizing 2100 megahertz right now. Okay? So, yung mga phones namin dito, they are tri-band for GSM and they have single band for
Yan.
WCDMA.
So, ibig sabihin, pwede natin gamitin abroad.
Kahit saan yan.
Kahit saan pa
Sir, if our viewers wanted to buy your products, saan ba kayo pwedeng ma-reach out?
For the Virtual brand, we actually have 2 concept stores which are now open in the market. Our flagship carrier is in High Street in Fort Bonifacio, and our second store is at Festival Mall, 3rd floor of Festival Mall in Alabang. The very novel thing about these concept stores, they will serve as the showrooms, for all the Virtual product lines. And more than that, they will also serve as the after-sales service centers, These are the 2 shops that are open right now, but soon to open will be Mall of Asia, Trinoma, Mega Mall, and SM City Cebu.
Ayan, kaya sa lahat ng ating mga kasambahay at lahat ng mga manonood natin ngayong umaga nito, if you wanted to buy a new product in the market, punta lang po kayo sa mga sinabi po ni Sir Jappy. Ayan,
And Rodel, just to add pala, well, yung Virtual concept stores namin, these will serve as parang showrooms, for the product lines namin. But nonetheless, in major malls throughout Metro Manila.
Huwag natin kalimutan. Nationwide, actually, we have dealerships across the country. So either if you're gonna look for a retail store for telephones, mobile phones, or appliance stores, meron kang mahanapan na nagbebenta ng
Virtual.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Sir Jappy.
Thank
and
you.
Sir Bobby, for
Thank you very
visiting
much.
this morning. And yan po ang ating What's New for this morning. Balik muna tayo sa pundahan ni Kuya Daniel.